Konnichiwa minasan. Now we will learn counting after 1000. Let's start. 1000 is sen or a sen as we have learned earlier. 1006. 1006 is 1000 plus 6. 1000 is sen, 6 is roku, sen roku. 1114. 1000 is sen, 100 is hyaku. 14 is Juyeon, Sen Hyaku Juyeon. 1245 Sen, 200 is Ni Hyaku, 45 is Yeon Jugo. Sen Ni Hyaku Yeon Jugo. Now 2000. 2000 is combination of 2 multiplies 1000. 2 is Ni and 1000 is Sen, so Ni Sen. 2341. 2000 is Nisen, 300 is Sambyaku, 41 is Yeonju Ichi. Nisen, Sambyaku, Yeonju Ichi. Now 2984. 2000 is Nisen, 900 is Kyuhyaku, 84 is Hachiju Yeon. Nisen, Kyuhyaku, Hachiju Yeon. Now 2503. 2000 is Nisen, 500 is Gohyaku, 3 is San. Nisen Gohyaku San. 3000. 3000 is not San Sen, it's San Zen, an exception. 3090. 3000 plus 90. 3000 is San Zen, 90 is Kyuju. San Zen Kyuju. 3123. San Zen, 100 is Hyaku, 23 is Niju San. San Zen Hyaku Niju San. 3985. San Zen, 900 is Kyu Hyaku, 85 is Hachiju Go. San Zen Kyu Hyaku Hachiju Go. 4000 is Yonsen. Yonsen. 4010 is 4000 plus 10. 4000 is Yonsen. 10 is Ju. Yonsen Ju. 4872. 4000 is Yonsen. 800 is Hapyaku. 72 is Nana Juni. Now you must have got the formation of numbers. So till 7000 it will remain same. 5000 will be Go Sen, 6000 will be Roku Sen, 7000 will be Nana Sen. Now 8000 is not Hachi Sen, it's exception. Has Sen. Has Sen. 8092. 8000 plus 92. 8000 is Hasen, 92 is Kyujuni. Hasen Kyujuni. Now 8888. Hasen, 800 is Hapyaku, Hachiju Hachi. 9000 will be Kyusen, 9999. Kyusen, Kyuhyaku, Kyuju Kyu. 1000 will be 10,000 will be Man. Man. After 10,000 you can form any number till lakhs, but there is a rule. After 40 we have to put Man. So like 20,000 will be Niman, 30,000 will be San Man. But let's see this number. 1,50,000. As per rule, we will count 4 zeros and we will put Man here and count this. As per as our counting, it's Goju and these 40 is Man. Goju Man. See this number, 23,48,753. As per rule, we will count 4 digits from backward. 1, 2, 3, 4 and we will put a comma. Like see this. We will put here man. Now count this number. It's ni hayaku san ju yon, same as it is here, and we will put here man. And now count this number. It's 8,000. 8,000 is Hasen. 7,000 is Nana Hayaku. 53 is Goju San. Let's see this number. 3,12,780. As per rule, count 4 digits from backward. 1, 2, 3, 4 and put a comma. It's now this. 31 is Sanju Ichi. Put a man in between and let's count this number after comma. 2000 is Nisen. 700 is Nana Hayaku. 80 is Hachiju. Sanju Ichi man. Nisen. Nana Hayaku. Hachiju. Let's see one more example. Let's see this number. Count 4 digits from backward. 1, 2, 3, 4 and put a comma like this. Now form this number. 9,000 is Kyusen. 700 is Nana Hayaku. 53 is Goju San. Put man here and then this number. 6,000 is Roku Sen. 300 is Sambyaku. 29 is Niju Q. So whole will be Kyusen, Nana Hayaku, Goju San, Man, Roku Sen, Sambyaku, Niju Q. Now I hope you must have understand. So form this number and put it in comment section, and my notes are available in description box again. So sayonara, arigato.